Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can start making money from applications. I'm going to show you where you can actually have an application made from you from scratch, or even buy an application that's already being used by somebody else. So I'm going to show you what I do as soon as I actually purchase a application, so you can get started making money with apps. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So the first step on actually getting started making money with applications is buying the application or having one made for you. So I like to come over here to Flip, and I talked about this previously on my channel, guys. So what I like to do is come over here to Flip. So whenever you actually go into ending soon, it's really awesome to come over here and check out to see what applications are actually about to sell. So I like to bid for the lowest price on these applications that look really attractive to me, and most likely if it looks attractive to me, then it will look attractive to other people that are looking for like a game just like that. And whenever I actually search for an application that I want to buy myself, it's kind of tricky in a way. The first step I take is just choosing something that looks attractive. So I went ahead and just found this Slots Vegas Frenzy Casino, since most of the time a lot of older people like to play slot machine games, like my mother. So she likes to play a lot of like slot machine games, and this is like just like fake coins, fake money, and you can just like make money by promoting this in front of like older people, guys. So this is gonna be like the application that I want to try out. So since I actually like this application, the next step would actually be is coming down over here and just reading about the information, but signing into your account so you can read about all of the information. So now since I'm signed in, guys, you can see all of the seller's notes right here, guys. So it says become an app entrepreneur instantly with an addictive slot game. I don't really like some of the information that most of the people put on here, because obviously they're selling the application, so they're gonna want somebody to buy it from them so they can make their money. So I just glance over this information just to see if it like sounds attractive to me, or if they even have like a demo that we can actually try it out ourselves. So you can read about all of this, guys. Just pause the video right here. Special offer if you buy it now. Video course on promoting apps and games, which I'm about to show you that. Simple method of ASO keyword research. I'm about to show you how to get that done. Technique for boosting your CPM on Chart Booster or Chart Boost. I'm not too sure what that is, but I mean, I can easily help you guys. This kind of sounds like it's coming from the first one, promoting the apps. So I mean, I can show you most of this stuff, guys, and show you how you can start making money within the first 2 or 1 hour of actually having the app inside of your own accounts from Google Play Console. And in order to actually have Google Play Console, guys, you only need a $25 for a lifetime, and you can start learning and start going through the purchasing process of a Google Play Console, which gives you a developer options to actually get the applications on your own accounts through your own Google AdSense account, so you can start making money through ads. And that's how that system works. It's really simple and easy to do, guys. Just type in Google AdSense and then type in Google Play Console and sign up for both of them, and just get ready to start receiving some applications. You only send these people like 2 pieces of information: your Google Play Console receipt, I think ID, so they can see that, so they can tell Google Play or Google to actually send you this this application to your account. So that's really simple and easy to do. So let's just say that we got this application right here, guys, and we purchased this one. And then for those of you guys that want to learn or want to know exactly where to buy the application or have one made for you, which we can easily just come over here to Fiverr, go over here to, I think I went through programming in text, or yeah, tech, and go to mobile apps, and then just talk to these sellers, guys. What I like to do here is go to the online sellers for as soon as I actually want to search this up. And then once you go into online sellers, just start messaging like 5 or 6 people at the same time and see what application you want done for you, to see how much the price is going to be, or see what they have to offer. Can you just let them know, hey, can I see like a demo of a gaming app that you have, or a demo of like a TikTok downloader application or something like that, guys. And there's another one I just got through thinking of, which is going to be called Code Canyon. So we can actually come over here to Code Canyon and actually have an app made from us or for us that has already been like used like hundreds of times. So what I did is I went to Code, and we're going to come over here to mobile, and then I like to do Android because I'm always only doing Android because Apple charges like $100 a year just to have an app account, to where you can have apps on the App Store. So I mean, I would rather just stick with the $25 for a lifetime on Google Play console. So once you come over here to Code and you go to mobile and you click on Android or iOS, or just try in any of them popular items, then you can just scroll down and see which one catches your eye. And I'm thinking about purchasing this application after this video or pretty soon, because it's an all-in-one status saver: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, plus AdMob and Facebook ads right there, guys. It has over 190 sales, 36 reviews, and it's a 5-star item. So this is a really cool application that I'm thinking about purchasing, because you can just have people can have this on their actual device, and then they're going to be shown ads. So whenever they want to download like a Instagram picture or a TikTok video or a Twitter post or something, then they can download it from the actual social media platform, and you're just getting paid through the actual advertisements, guys. So this is a really awesome one that I'm thinking about purchasing pretty soon, and actually start making some money from it. So you can see like screenshots of how it looks. You can even download it and it even shows you instructions on how to use the application. So it says paste link here for an Instagram post, and you can download it or paste it. So pretty much paste it and upload it to your own Instagram. So there's different uses for this one application, and it's all in one. So you can start making money like crazy with this app if you promote it right and start making money from it right away. So there's 3 different ways I showed you how you can start purchasing your application, having one made for you, or just buying one, guys. So now let's move on to the next step. Once we have the application, what I like to do is literally come over here to Fiverr right away, even before I even have the application. Sometimes I literally just come over here to Fiverr, and then I start looking for ASO as soon as possible. So I want to do ASO. Let's just type in ASO. So I like to do ASO, and I always come to this person right here, even though his price is at $15, and some of them are kind of cheaper, like $10. I can easily find some $5 ones here, but I love the work this person does. So I'll leave his link down in the description and inside of the comment section of this video. So you can what ASO is, it's going to help you rank your application front page of a certain keyword. So I always buy from this person as much as possible. As you can see, I'm right there at the second review, guys. So I literally just bought this. So another amazing delivery. I really appreciate how insane this order was, and I'll always recommend this gig to anyone who wants their money well invested. Buy now. So this is the one I always go with. As you can see right there, guys, I'm using it right now as we speak. So I'm pretty sure like there's another one right there, guys. So it's just, I mean, it was probably the same one. So it says about this gig on a cool app or game. So you're gonna be able to get one from one platform, which is gonna be Android or Apple. You're gonna get 15 keywords researched, 5 competitors researched, so 5 apps that are within the same niche as yours, and 250 app description words. And he even helps you out sometimes with the title, guys. He's going to help you out get a good title for your application and the description. And even on top of that, he's actually literally studying 5 competitors within your same app or niche, and are going to help you try to rank and beat them. So I'd highly recommend you guys doing this at least once a month or twice a month. But once you hit a pocket where your application is like at the second ranking of a certain keyword, and it's getting like 100 installs a day without doing nothing, stop paying for advertisements at that point and just let that app do its thing, because now it just became passive without you investing any more money into the application, and you're just going to start receiving money crazy. So this is what I always do. As soon as I get an application or even an idea, and before I even buy the app, sometimes I even have this already ready for me, me, because it takes him a couple of days to actually have that going. So he has 542 reviews, 6 orders in queued. So he's busy, he is making some money, and he is an amazing person. So the next step I like to do as soon as possible is actually coming over here again to Fiverr and looking for like a app promo. So let's just type in app promo and see what pops up, guys, because this is the second thing I always do as soon as possible, and just start buying some from these people. And I can show you one that I have created myself, or not myself, I had one created for me. So this is the person that had that promo video created for me, and I'll leave his link down in the description, guys, if you're interested in talking to him and seeing what he has to provide for your application. But I have bought this promo for, and I use this for advertisements. I put this on the Google Play whenever you type in like a movie app that I have or any of my game apps, and you will see some promo video just like this, because it would attract a lot of users, and it would actually help me with conversions on installs and more stuff, guys. So I would highly recommend you guys, as soon as you buy an application, buying one of these from this person or from whoever you want to, and start getting this stuff looking nice. You start putting all in on your first money making application. It's either a game or an app that would like does stuff for you, like the downloader or like a web browser or something, guys, or VPN, I mean. So I like to do is a banner ad as soon as possible as well, so I can start promoting this app quickly, so I can see results and see what I need to change and see how the app is looking for actual people, instead of just waiting and doing everything organically and fast. I'm about to show you the website where I can get results within the first hour of actually using this. So I like to do banner ads, and I like to just type in like banner ad. This is the person where I bought my banner ad from, which is this one right here, guys, and this only costed me $5 to literally just have a banner ad made for me. And I'm about to show you where you can actually test this out and get results within the first hour, guys. It takes them, I think, about 1 day to actually provide this banner ad for you, and I like to do 728 by 90, which is pretty much this size right here again. So I like to do this as soon as possible, again right when I get the application, so I can start promoting it and sending out advertisements everywhere as quickly as possible. So we can easily just add in the URL, which the URL is going to be your mobile app download link. So whenever you go to like Google Play Store, you're gonna download the URL link or copy the URL link and put that URL link right here, and then you're gonna add in like an upload banner or use a banner URL. So I like to upload a banner because I bought one just recently off of Fiverr from this person right here, and I'll leave his link down in the comment and in the description. So there's different sizes that you can use on promoting your banner file or your banner ad, and the payment system is pretty cheap, guys, to be honest. For $5 you're gonna get 100 clicks, and it only goes up in increments of hundreds. So you can change this to like 200, 300, and just spend like $10 on 200 clicks on your app, which is not that bad at all, guys, because you're gonna get like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 impressions, but it's still gonna keep showing you impressions, and it's gonna be in the back of people's mind of your ad, your banner ad of the application. So you're gonna get more clicks than what you would think that you would get, and you can easily just get 200 clicks. So within those 200 clicks, what if 100 people just install the application, try it out? Then you already have 100 users that are just gonna keep on using the application if it's like used by them, like if it's needed. So if like a movie application, people love to watch movies, so that would be needed, and people will always have that app on their actual device, and every time you send them like new movies, they're always going to come back and keep watching movies. And I like to do like the downloader, like I just talked about, the status downloader, which is right here. Then so this is something that a lot of people would like to use as well, because I've seen millions and millions of downloads on apps just like this one. So that might be my next application that I'm going to start to purchase and start to use as my own strategies that I'm teaching you guys right now on making money with applications. So this is pretty much my strategy right here, guys, on how I'm making money through applications and how I promote my applications. And I like to use Google AdSense or Google Ads to actually promote my applications through the the promo video that I showed you where you can purchase it from. So that promo video I do on Google Ads, and on top of that I do it on Facebook Ads and market it to specific people. So if you're trying to do like a app that is meant for like older people, like this casino game that we're talking about, then go into Facebook Ads, put in that video, that promo video, and then market it to anywhere between like 25-year-olds to 40 or 50-year-olds. And you can even niche it down from there. Do one of 50-year-olds, one of 60-year-olds, one of 25 through 30, one of 30. So you have like 4 or 5 different ads going at $5 an ad and every day, and seeing which one's going to get the more installs from that same promo video, and stop everything else that is not the winner. So if one of those ads give you 100 installs and the other one only gives you 5, stop the one that's giving you 5 installs and put in more money of the one that's giving you 100 installs. And make sure you're always in profit, guys. Don't spend more money than what you have on ads if you're not getting that same amount of income. So this is going to be my method on showing you how you can start making money through money making applications and how I am doing that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.